Okay, welcome students. How are you today? I hope you're fine. This is our English class online. I'm your teacher, Teacher Glean. Let's review what we have learned last time. Review the sound of letter P. Big letter P. Small letter P is for pencil. P, p, pencil. Okay, so the sound of letter P is P, pencil. Okay. Now let's review our English chant. May I speak, please? Again. May I speak, please? It's time to play. It's time to play. You buy a toy. You buy a toy. And I will pay. And I will pay. Okay, let's review words. Start with letter P. A paper. A paper. What is it? It's a paper. A pen. What is it? It's a pen. A piano. What is it? It's a piano. Okay, let's have more words. A pig. What is it? It's a pig. A pillow. What is it? It's a pillow. A pizza. What is it? It's a pizza. So that is letter P. Okay. Today, we will learn about the sounds of letter Q. Big letter Q. Small letter Q is for quail. K, 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 quail. So this is a quail, okay? So the sound of letter Q here is k, k, quail, quail. Okay, let's repeat. Big letter Q, small letter Q is for quail, qu, qu, quail. Okay, let's learn our English chant today. Quick, quick, quick. You've got to check. Lick, lick, lick. You've got to be quick. Okay. Again, let's repeat. Quick, quick, quick. You've got to check. Lick, lick, lick. You've got to be quick. Okay, so that's letter Q, the sound of letter Q. Quick, quick. Okay, now let's learn new words. Start with letter Q. Quarrel, quarrel. Oh, they are fighting, quarrel. Okay, what's that? That's a quarrel. Okay, they are quarreling, you know, quarreling. Quarter. Okay, this is a quarter. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth part, quarter. What is that? That's a quarter. Quarts, quarts. Okay, so this is a quart, okay? What is that? That's a quartz. Quartz. Okay, let's repeat. Again, please. Quarrel. Quarrel. What is that? That's a quarrel. Quarter. Quarter. What is that? That's a quarter. Quartz. Quartz. What is that? That's a quartz. Okay. Let's have more words, okay? Quarry. Okay, this is a quarry. They dug, got dug for gold, okay? Quarry. Quarry. What is that? That's a quarry. Queen. Queen. What is that? That's a queen. Quiet. Quiet. Ooh. Quiet. What's that? That's a quiet sign. Okay, quiet sign, okay? Again, please. Quarry. What is that? That's a quarry. Queen. What is that? That's a queen. Quiet. What is that? That's a quiet sign. Okay. So that's all for today, kids. Thank you for listening attentively in our lesson. See you again next time. Goodbye.